Want to spy on your top competitor sales? This tool shows you their Amazon and Walmart sales data in seconds, and it's obviously Helium 10 Xray. There is a link in the description to get access, and you can just click right here, type in Helium 10 Xray on Google. Boom. There it is. Download the extension. It's just going to be a Chrome extension that you download. And then once you download it, it's going to look something like this, where you type in, for example, cat flea collar on Amazon. It's going to show you all these cat flea collars, but it's going to have this blue pop-up, and that's where the Chrome extension comes in handy. It's actually going to be telling us how much they're making per month: $89,000 a month in sales, $12,000 a month in sales, $1 million a month in sales, $89,000 a month in sales. So this tool pretty much tells you for almost every competitor and seller on Amazon how much money they're making. Now, this tool also does work with Walmart. So now we're on walmart.com right here, cat flea collar, and we're going to actually click the extension, right? So let's click the extension right here. Here's the extension. And then I'm going to click, once it loads, Walmart product research. Now it's going to analyze all of the competitors directly on Walmart and then give me an analysis on how much they're making per month directly on Walmart. And this is one of the only tools that actually does it for Walmart. Where's the resto? This is a 2-pack, and the 2-pack, 2,000. Oh, here's the 1-pack. Here's the main item. It's making $172,000 a month on Walmart. So we can also see Walmart sales. Obviously, Walmart sales are nowhere as near as high as Amazon sales, but we can at least scope out the market to see, okay, what items are going to be good on Walmart that we could launch on Walmart as well. So we've got Seresto making $170,000 a month. We've got this newer item. It looks like it's an off-brand of Hearts Ultra Guard, something very similar. And this one's only making $2,000 a month right now on Walmart. So the Walmart sales are not nearly as high as the Amazon sales, but it's good to see. It depends on the item, obviously, that you can see what's going to work and what's not going to work. If you are an Amazon or Walmart seller, you can feel free to go to the link below, go to our website, click free listing audit, and you can get a free listing audit from us where we can tell you how to increase your sales on your listing. And of course, we're going to be using this tool to see who your top competitors are and why are they making more money than you. So we'll give you some honest explanations so that way you can improve your sales. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group. And if you need any assistance with Amazon or Walmart, that's what we specialize in. Click the link below and contact us. We're consultants and we will help you manage your store as needed to generate more sales. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.